Hello YouTube, welcome back to Geek Dictionary Tutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Manjaro Linux distro XFCE. And so the first step is you need to click create a new virtual machine, press I will install the operating system later, then press Linux and then other Linux 3.x kernel 64-bit, and then change it to whatever you like. I'm just going to call it Manjaro Linux. And then it's optional. You can select what's your disk capacity. I'm going to select 40 gigabytes because this is like a test virtual machine. And then press finish. And then press edit virtual machine settings. And press C-DVD IDE. And then press use ISO image file. Go to downloads, Manjaro XFCE. There you go. Press OK. And then press play virtual machine. Now this process might take a long time, so I might pause the video on this. And here's our boot screen. Let's select boot Manjaro XFCE, and I'm going to pause the video since it's going to go through all the verbose text. And here we are. We're in the Manjaro setup screen, but this is obviously the desktop. This is like a clone of Windows if you hate Windows 10, but there are other people who would argue with me about Windows 10 being the best. So it's your opinion if you want to install this, but I personally wanted to install this. So yeah, I'm just gonna turn off a few options and I'm gonna install the launcher. Now you could just go through the installer, but I'm gonna speed things up by going to the next, by just going through the summary of the installer. And yeah, and we have finally reached the summary. So this is basically my partition, my Manjaro summary install, and let's install. I'm going to speed things up, but it's pretty fast, so I'm going to pause the video. Anyway, sorry guys. Anyway, it is installed, and now we will just press, actually I'll restart now, and let's go for it. Here's your verbose. Now you might get to this screen here. Well, it automatically boots for you. This is just like a Ubuntu operating system, just saying. So we'll just wait for this verbose. Anyway, the tutorial is about to come in conclusions, so right now I'm just applying updates. Now there are two types of Manjaros you can see. One is XFCE and one of them is KDE. What I'm doing right now is XFCE. I might be doing a KDE tutorial after this one, so please go check out my channel, subscribe, join my Discord, like this video and share this to your friends. It might be a helpful tutorial if they want to get out of Windows. Thanks for watching my tutorial, and peace out. Hello YouTube, welcome back to Geek Dictionary Tutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you